Here we are. What have I got myself into? So the main purpose of portaledging is to use this as a place to camp. Whoa! When you're climbing really high cliff that you want to do in maybe a few days. Climb a little bit, camp, climb a little bit, camp. But we're just using this as a place to chill out and sleep for the night. Right, let's change over to GoPro. That's better. Let's do this. You okay? For me, it's about overcoming like mental challenges. Like, this is safe to do. I can physically do this. I know how to do it to a certain extent, but it's just overcoming the height in my mind. And I'm all about like just overcoming mental fears because I control myself and I decide what I want to do. Last time I did this, I was in Iceland and it was down a crevice of a glacier. That was 2 years ago. It's that moment of trust where you lean back on the rope over 130 meters of nothing, and that moment is right now. The view gets kind of cool. All right. I'm in the Portaledge. We made it. 135 meters above there. It takes a little while for the rope to settle, so every now and again you'll get this like tweak in the rope where it's just settling on the rock and you might drop like by 5 millimeters, but that feeling, what are you laughing at? Do I have my life insurance up to date? We got our course. Some munchies over here, so that's our dinner for tonight. Guys, the sun has gone down and we were just gonna have a chill out session here and sleep the night, but the weather's turned bad. It's blowing an absolute gale and this thing's kind of vibrating quite a lot. And Barrett's made an executive decision and I concur. We're gonna head down in the dark to the bottom. So we're gonna abseil down the side of this cliff with a torch, of course. They're gonna move when we go.
We're going?
Yep.
We're going?
Okay.
Both ends up in the shot.
Whew.
Pretty much.
Yeah, we're done over there. We're past the stage of death.
Yeah. What happened there when you climbed out?
I don't know. The whole thing just went. That is by far the most insane thing I've ever done in my life. Hands down. My adrenaline is just pumping right now. And now we have to scramble up there to the top. Whew. The weather report got this one wrong. It's very slippery up here. We're here. There's the car, we can see the car. My man.
Awesome.
Thanks so much, Baron.
Thank
What an amazing trip, bro. Now, if you don't mind, I am going home.